Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a Miniverse. This is Diner Series 3. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's see what we get. Ooh, this might be the strawberry shortcake little roll. We'll have to look at the checklist here in a minute. Yep, sure is. There's the cake. And they have one piece sliced. That's cute. Frosted cake plate. We have our table, of course. Also have little decorations to go on top. Toothpicks, cake server, and of course the resin. We have a nozzle and the glaze. So here's all series 3. I think I said wave 2. It's not, it's just wave 1. I was thinking it's wave 2 because I remember I had some from here. I bought these two separately, so I'm in search for all the rest of them. So today we're making the princess roll cake. Pretty cute. So we're going to decorate one and have it sliced on the server and then the rest of it on the plate. Of course you don't have to do it like that, but I normally do what they have pictured. The instructions just show adding the glaze and then decorating it. I am a little confused because they gave you big strawberries, but they don't actually show them on here. There's just one laying in the background. So that's interesting. I think I'm going to do what I did last time when we had the roll cake. I'm gonna put it on here, and then I think I'm gonna have the slice like off to the side maybe, so it just looks like it's cut and it's there, because if I put it on here, I feel like it's gonna get ripped off. So I want to keep it together like on this plate, this dish. So I think I might put a little bit of resin on here and hold it upside down and cure it through here so that I have it where I want it, if that makes sense. I think I'm gonna do that. Should I turn it this way or that way? I think it kind of looks better like that. Okay, so let's open the resin. Cute pink color. All right, I'm just gonna put a little line like that, stick it down, and I'm gonna use my flashlight to cure that once I make sure it's where I want it. Okay, so we have that one done. Now we're gonna do this little slice. It might be a little too much. And we're going to place that just slightly behind it. Okay, let's do this little one first. Oh, I'm going to put a line of icing. And then I get to decide what I want to put on there. So in the picture they do have one strawberry kind of turned to the side. Like that. Not sure how well that's gonna stay like that. It wants to run. And then we'll put one of these on it. I think that's cute. I'm gonna cure that. Okay, that took way longer to set, and as you can see the strawberry started running. So I'm not sure that I like it quite as much now. But let's continue on. I'm gonna put some resin on here. Hopefully it'll kind of start going down the side a little. It seemed to get pretty thin when I did that smaller area, the smaller slice. I'll just start decorating it, and we'll see if it migrates down or not. So let's get a couple of these out. And I'm going to, oh, totally dropped that on there, but that's kind of where I wanted it anyway, so I'm not even mad at that. Then we'll put this one up front. We'll do a strawberry over here. I do want that to stay there. And then maybe one here. I'll squish it down, make it run a little bit, and then we can do that third design, because there's two of each flower designs. Put that one back there. That's pretty cute. Should I put one more strawberry in the back? I think that might look nice. And then I'm going to hit it with the UV light before it runs too much. I ended up having to leave this outside for 20 minutes. Took way longer to set than the old resin, but I think it turned out pretty good. I might go back and add some more down the side here. But overall, pretty cute. You'll have to let me know what you think, what your experience has been with these new series. I've been lucky. I've been able to find all the new ones at Target online. Currently, they're still on pre-order on Amazon, but I will link everything below for both websites so you can find it very easily. And yeah, on a scale of 1 to 10, I guess I'd give this like a 7. It's pretty cute. Stay tuned if you want to see me open more. Bye, guys.